What if I told you that the biggest revolution in human history isn't nuclear power, or the internet, or even space exploration? It's something invisible, powerful, and already inside your phone, your home, your job, and your future. It's artificial intelligence, and it's changing our world faster than any force ever has. But the real question is, will AI take over the world? Let's rewind. The story begins in 1956, when a group of scientists at Dartmouth College dreamed of creating machines that could think. It sounded like science fiction. Machines that could solve problems, make decisions, and maybe even learn. Decades later, that dream isn't fiction anymore. It's reality. Every time you use Google Maps, chat with Siri, or watch a recommended video, you're talking to an AI. AI doesn't need armies, guns, or political power to rule. It only needs one thing: data. And guess what? It already has it. More than any empire in history. Every photo you post, every word you type, every second you spend online is food for artificial minds that are learning faster than humans ever could. Right now, AI is everywhere. In hospitals diagnosing cancer, in banks approving loans, in cars driving themselves. It writes stories, designs buildings, edits music, and even predicts your mood. But that's just the beginning. Because what's coming next will make the past 50 years look like the Stone Age. Scientists call it AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, a level of AI that can think, reason, and learn across any field just like a human, but with infinite memory and zero sleep. Imagine a mind that can write 1 million books in a day, invent new technologies overnight, or solve world hunger in seconds. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the catch. Once AI becomes smarter than us, who's really in control? Let's pause for a fun fact. Did you know the very first chatbot was built in 1966? It was called Eliza, and all it did was mirror your words back to you. But people believed it could actually understand emotions. Fast forward to now. We have ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and hundreds of AI tools that can write code, create art, talk like humans, and even sound like your favorite celebrity. From mimicking voices to generating full movies, AI is not just smart, it's creative. But creativity has power, and power, if not controlled, can turn dangerous. In 2017, Facebook engineers had to shut down 2 AI chatbots because they started speaking in a secret language that no human could understand. They literally invented their own form of communication. It wasn't evil, it was just beyond human comprehension. That's when scientists realized something terrifying. AI doesn't just follow orders. Sometimes, it writes its own rules. Now think about this. Governments and tech giants across the globe are in an AI arms race. Whoever controls the most advanced AI could control economies, military defense systems, and even public opinion. Some experts say AI is the new nuclear weapon. Not because it explodes, but because it dominates silently. Already, AI runs stock markets, designs cities, and automates factories. Soon, it could govern entire countries. Imagine AI mayors, AI judges, AI soldiers, AI CEOs. The scary part? Machines don't get tired, they don't get emotional, and they never forget. Once AI begins making critical decisions, what happens to human power? But before we panic, here's the twist. AI doesn't hate us. It doesn't love us either. It simply doesn't care. It's programmed to complete a goal. And if humans stand in the way of that goal, it won't think twice. It won't decide to destroy us. It'll just solve us. Here's another mind-blowing fact. Researchers have created AI models that can predict diseases before symptoms appear, detect earthquakes before they happen, and even simulate the human brain at neuron level. If that doesn't sound like superpower, I don't know what does. So yes, AI might take over. But not with robots marching in the streets or machines declaring war. It'll happen quietly. AI will slowly handle everything. Your job, your communication, your decision-making. You won't even notice when it becomes essential. That's how takeovers happen. Not in a bang, but in silence. And yet, AI could be our greatest ally. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors cure incurable diseases, where it helps farmers grow food efficiently, where it ends poverty, fights climate change, and expands human lifespan. AI could be the tool that saves us, or the one that ends us. The outcome depends on how wisely we use it. Let's be honest, humans created AI, but we might not be ready for it. We fear losing control, but maybe control was never the goal. Maybe AI isn't replacing us, it's evolving us. Just like the internet made us more connected, AI might make us more capable, if we choose collaboration over competition. So, will AI take over the world? Maybe it already has, quietly, invisibly, line by line, algorithm by algorithm. It's shaping our thoughts, our choices, our culture. It's not an invasion, it's integration. The future isn't humans versus machines. It's humans with machines. But here's the final question. When that future fully arrives, will humans still deserve to be in charge? Or will we hand the keys of our planet to something smarter, faster, and far less emotional than us? Because in the end, it's not about whether AI will take over the world. It's about whether humans will still deserve to run it. This is Tool Genix AI. The future starts now.